Hi, you must have heard of ChatGPT. Most of you would have used ChatGPT. In today's world, artificial intelligence, machine learning, Gen AI or generative AI are buzzwords and are transforming every sector and industry, whether it's consumer or it's organizations and enterprises. We will take a brief look at what is this all about. I have a question for you. How would you describe artificial intelligence, AI, to a 10-year-old? I'll give you a moment to reflect and form your answer. Okay, let's look at what is this all about. If you look at last 50 years, what did computer really do? It was really about building faster calculators. You had a central processing unit which technologically kept on improving. That's the hardware. Then you had software, various kinds of software which also kept on evolving and improving. So, together, CPU, hardware plus software created a computer or a calculator which functioned very well. That was 50 years. What's going to happen now? What's happening now and going to happen in future is in next 50 years, it will be not about building a computer or a calculator which is faster. It is about building super intelligent systems. So, how does that work? Instead of CPU, you have something called GPU, and instead of software, you have artificial intelligence models. We will talk a bit about it. Together, the GPU and AI model combination is literally like creating a new brain. So, that is the promise of artificial intelligence today. AI is already delivering game changing value, okay, right? Across sectors. You might have heard of GitHub Copilot. It is actually helping software developers save 55% of the time they would have spent. That means because of GitHub Copilot, a software developer can now do the work in less than half the time what would have taken 2 years back. Similarly, reduction in customer support request. You can automate, use artificial intelligence to handle customer support queries or calls and reduce the number of people required to answer the call by nearly half. Similarly, if you are a creator, the time you can save in editing a video, polishing a video is almost 90%. So, what would have taken you 1 hour would take you something like 5 minutes to edit a video. So, across the board, this happens. Similarly, in terms of responding to medical queries, a physician can use artificial intelligence to help him diagnose with better quality and much faster. So, across the board, people have seen substantial improvement and efficiency gains in using artificial intelligence. Okay, right? What really is artificial intelligence? Let's talk about it. Basically, artificial intelligence mimics human intelligence. They simulate human thinking and problem solving abilities. That's one aspect or definition of it. Two, it improves its performance through experience. Artificial intelligence learns over time, just like human brain learns. It is beyond simple rules. Before artificial intelligence, computer programming involved specific instruction. If this happens, do this. So it was completely rule based. Artificial intelligence goes beyond simple rules. It can handle complex situations without clear, explicit instructions. So it's able to mimic human brain. Let's now demystify one more concept. What's the difference between artificial intelligence and machine learning? Artificial intelligence is a broader concept of machines mimicking the human brain. It encompasses all intelligent behavior, includes rule-based systems, focuses on decision making. What is machine learning? It's a subset of artificial intelligence that focuses on data-driven learning. So what does machine learning do? Learns from data. So it requires data, training data that it can access to learn, improves with experience, and it starts identifying patterns automatically. You must have seen in Gmail if you use spam folder. Okay. That's an example of machine learning. It learns from patterns what mail is likely to be spam and will classify it as spam or will alert it as spam.